That's the other side of the baby coin. It's 8:21 at night. It's been a long day, and I want to start out by saying this. I don't know what all this means or if it means anything at all, but thanks for watching. Today is a day that makes me think that there are two sides to every coin. Today feels like a coin day, a day where everything was very decidedly not coming up Milhouse. From where I'm standing, the forecast for the future doesn't look good either. Forecasts are weird, they change depending on where you are, and it's very easy to lose the big picture. It's easy to sit there and think from where you are that the forecast means forever. We remember that there is 100% chance of bad days in the future. That there will be bad days, days as bad as today, or days worse than today. Today is a day where I feel like I'm looking at the forecast from the inside of the pit. It's a day where I sit down and pretend that I'm Ze Frank, or pretend that Ze Frank is my friend and that he knows how to talk to me, or pretend that I suddenly know how to make friends. You'd think I know how to do it by now because I've had so many opportunities and met so many different people and talked to so many people, shaken so many hands, and yet I don't know how. It's a skill that I often pretend I have because it's something that I feel I really don't. Because honestly, I feel like I'm really bad at it. I feel like the friends that I do have are very precious because they care for me. And they care about me even though I'm so bad at making friends with them. They're people that know how to use their heart smile power, but more on that in a minute. Today's a day where I wonder why it's so hard. It's hard to be an adult. It's hard to be a child. It's hard to be a human. Sometimes I think that sentience is a really terrible burden. I wonder if my humanity dooms me to a lifetime of days like this, where my mind makes my heart ache for no other reason than to ask, why is it so hard? But we forget the other side of that coin, the coin that came up today, that coin that came up today and was not for me. The fact that there is a 100% chance of bad days in the future taps us on the shoulder and reminds us that that also means there is a 100% chance of good days in the future. And maybe it's tomorrow. It's easy to forget the good forecast when you're in your bad day, a bad day that came up tails when you needed heads, and it certainly wasn't coming up Milhouse. We forget our power, the legitimate power we have in this massive maelstrom that we call life. Power to decide things that matter to us and to our loved ones and to perfect strangers. And while nobody here is all-powerful and the world seems out of our control, in every moment we still have the power to smile. The choice. And smile not just with our mouths, but with our hearts, and with our minds, and with the way that we decide to think about the sides of the forecast coin. This is one of those days. And whatever you're feeling today, it's okay. It's okay to feel that. It's okay, because it's a coin day. Just remember that tomorrow, when you're given a new today as a gift, start today by remembering and resolving to use your heart smile power. Use it for good. And use it for awesome. These are my feels. It's a coin day. Please remind me tomorrow morning to resolve to use my heart smile power. I'm gonna need it. I don't know what all this means. I don't know if it means anything at all. But thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Mike, my friend, as you can tell, this is not a response to the very thoughtful video about fear that you sent me to respond about. For that, I'm really sorry. I'm going to have to do it tomorrow morning. Wish me luck. I'll see you tomorrow. That power gives us the power to decide. Power, power, power.